So here today you join me in the Belle Vue yard. Here we've got YT10XCA, well that's an ex-London Scania Omnicity. Well, I've just got to stop you there just for a second, as Optare/Switch have just recently stopped production of the Solo, a bus that's been around our streets since 1998. Have you ever wondered what a preserved example looks like? If you're interested, make sure to tune in tomorrow to see exactly that. So here's ex-Stagecoach London Scania Omnicity LX09 FZU. There's quite a few of these here, so we will get through them now. So we've got an Enviro 400 here for Belle Vue, SN13 CHG. Looks like it's defective at the minute. We've got a pair of ex-Nottingham City Transport Scania Omnideckers, a YN08 MLL and YN08 MLU. Here, as you can see, so we've got an ex-London Enviro 400 LK58 KHC with another Enviro 400 next to it, SN13 CHF. We've got a Versa, Optare Versa, YJ14 BPK. This looks like one of the hybrid Optare Versas. So thank you for watching this very short video. I'll leave you to it with a surprise for that solo that you saw at the beginning. I'm looking forward to that. Thanks for watching.